Shincho my sisters today. Let's show our sisters how we design. For a shirt dress. It's for middle age. For this model, I'll put a button on the front. And then we'll have the straps. And here it's going up. If you want to cross, otherwise, you will leave it like this. As for the future, I will also guide you later. My sisters can refer to me. This dress is very elegant and polite for our age. Now we're going to start to design this middle-aged dress. This is the measurement that we're going to use to measure shoulder width, neck bust, waist butt, and waist length. Well, you'll see how we measure that part. This model, the black numbers on this side are the changing numbers. So everyone's going to have a different measurement. You're going to measure this. And we put it in. Recipe part. I will share that I will follow you. SLMXL. Then we start. Here, the shirt will have a button. So it is. You're going to break the knot for yourself. I'll break it twice like this. The big foundation of Africa is 2 millimeters of gasoline. Then, after we broke the bottleneck, then you will determine. The length of this dress starts at the bottom. You guys break it up. Well, it's going through the calf. Then you'll build a perpendicular line. And since it has a button, we'll draw it from the center of the heart of the button, Then I'll take it over the shoulder. Over here, I'll get it. Shoulder divided by to 32. Dividing 2 is equal to 16. I took 16. Then down for inches. If you take her, you will divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Take over 6. Then you'll lower your breasts. If you lower your chest, you divide it by 5 and you add 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. And I'm going to take the middle of this. Then you will take it. This part is the chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took it out. If you lower your chest and lower your waist, you will get 35. Here we build a perpendicular line through. And you'll take it across the waist. At the waist level, you will divide the waist by 4. I'll add 2. By 64. You divide by 4 plus 2 is 18. I took from this middle point you took through 18. Later, you'll get your ass. Lower butt. The word here you took down for me is 18. The lower butt, the number 18 you will measure on your body. These two numbers are different. Hips are similar. I will measure this on my body from the waist down to the largest part of the butt. Next up, the ass. You divide your ass by 4 and 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is 22. I took a line of 22. I'll connect this part. Then you'll take it down and we'll take the part. Widespread Here, spread out the shirt. I'm taking the dress. 32 of these you take. It could be 32 to 45. It's 45 to 32. And here we stop the gasoline year. You can draw a line like this. In the case that you... What about luck? This is the same line from down here. You cut it up for me by 20. Up to 30 gasoline. Then the hybrid part, this hybrid part. You will split it in two. You guide the future. Divide it in two and from. These two corners here, come up here and give me 15. I connected this part. Then I split it into again. And you're going to draw this bottle down in 5 glasses. Here are to petrol. That is that you'll get the hybrid part of the shirt. Of the shirt dress. Here There are 2 ways, I'll show you 2. You like to cut. If you are pregnant, you will cut this way. What about you? It's like you're going this way. And the curve is right here. This is 20 to 30 cubic meters of gasoline. Then, next, you build a perpendicular line. Give me 2 more gas. Back up the to gas again, split it in half. Then you'll turn the armpit around for me. Then you can get me 6. If you are not familiar with it, you can build a road. Split in 2. Then we'll get the old part. With a body like this. Dear, first you will draw like that. After that, we will go up. Starting from this road, I'll give you to gas. Here you reduce me is a gasoline. You guys get this ass. Chest of the back torso. Then you're going to drop 1 gas on the red line, the way of the back here. And we'll draw the back collar. Then we'll get the body first. Like this, you will cut it. I'm going to put the back in, guys. And now cut. If you cut the red line, follow the body first. And then we'll get the body back here. Cut this way. And then after you cut the back, it's down there. Then you take out the top piece. I reduce it. That blue drop is this red spot. We're going to reduce it, but we just drew it up. This will be the next body. You will multiply by 1. And then you're going to cut the body first. This will be the previous part. Previously you multiplied 2 by. Let's go. We'll push the button. Button We set the button like this. It's a long button down the body. Then you can imagine. Front body. I can imagine the back of my body. Now, the next one is that we're going to draw for the apart. Collar and sleeves. I'll draw for the collar and sleeves. Then you see the right hip. Now we will wear our sleeves. Measure for armpit ring on body. What is measured here is 21. If anyone can measure 2 or 3, I'll draw the sleeve first. I'll draw you a straight line. Then from here you measure down for me with a piece of table. Chest divided by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5. Then we will be 13. 13. We build a perpendicular line. Then you'll take 2 and 1 of you. With 23, we're 4. Divide by 2 and we get 22. I took it over here. Then split it in half. You go down 1 and you go up 2. Then you make a perpendicular line. After I got the sleeve length, I'll get you this wrist. By where we extend our arms, we measure the ruler across there, and we'll add 1 gas and I'll take it. This is 12. We split this road in 2. And then here, you'll draw me a square bamboo shoots. It's going to be a gas year. 5 cubic meters of gasoline. Then if you want, here you go back 1.5 inches. Then you round this cuff. And then you split this in half. Then we'll have a mindset path. I took this from the bottom. Take the underside, ladies. We will get it, we will stay here. Here's the sleeve layer. Now I'm going to cut the hand. Then we get the sleeve part. Then now I'm going to start painting the collar. If you wear a collar, you will. Let's build a road. And then from down here, I'll give you to gas. Then you can take these two. I'll take the size of the part. It's both gasoline. Hi. We're going to get this ancient footpath. If you round up, from here, back to 2.5. We're going to round up the part. Foot neck. Then you'll get the old leg. Now I paint her. If you can get me some gas down here, I'll give you 2. I can connect. I split in 2. You'll be able to draw the part at the bottom of the leaf. And here we're going to draw the part. Leaves at the top. So here's to petrol, 3 petrol, to petrol. Then we'll get the whole of the leaf barrel of on the body. Then you will get your neck legs. Then we'll break it. Is that we're going to get the collar. Here, you put it in here. This part is in the neck. Here's the rest at the back. So you guys will bang in here. Let's just get back to the part. She's in the back. She's in the front. Then you'll cut the neck so that the length is the same as the previous neck plus back neck. So this is the whole prior body part, the back body I have. And I wish you success.